Possessives. A common error you might make in profiling a person is with possessives. You might be confused about what an apostrophe even is. It's one of these things. Where it goes, well, it depends. Sometimes it comes before the S or after the S. And what's a contraction? And where do apostrophes go with that? A big confusion that a lot of people have is its versus its, right? Its is the contraction for it is. Its is the possessive pronoun. Confusing, huh? Then there's plural and possessive, where something is both plural and possessive. So it's the dog's blanket. All 5 dogs share that single blanket. So it can be confusing determining where an apostrophe goes, where it's needed, what it's for. So be sure to consult the textbook information about all of this. Possessives can be especially tricky with irregular plural nouns. Let's look at an example. A child's dream is writing a children's book. So this is exactly how you would make child singular possessive. Just add the apostrophe S. When we get to here, though, children's wouldn't be a word, right? Because children is already a plural, and there's no apostrophe to indicate possession. Whose book? Children's, a children's book. So sometimes you might even see some might be inclined to put an apostrophe at the end because children's might be plural, and that's how you make most plural nouns possessive, right? If it has an S, you add the apostrophe at the end. But that's not what you're going to want to do. Instead, to make children possessive, you simply add the apostrophe S the same way you did for child, because children is already possessive. It just happens to be, or children is already plural. It just happens to be an irregular plural noun. You don't add S to child to make it plural. Instead, you turn it into children, just like for women and for men and a whole host of other nouns. So make sure that you check that out in the textbook and that you take care when making nouns in your work possessive.